Tidak terasa 6 tahun sudah kami di sini. 6 tahun sudah kami bersama, dan tibalah pada hari ini untuk kami berpisah.
Aqulu anna al-firaqa huwa lazimun idza taqaddamahu al-liqa wa la najidu ithnaini yajtami'ani illa wa ma'ahuma al-firaqa hatta bayna az-zawjayn alladhayni yabnayan tahabbasa yafraqan imma bi mauti ahadihima wa imma li asbabin ukhra.
Being Ummul Ayman student is such a big pleasure. When we came here at first, we don't know everything, but after we came here for 6 years, Alhamdulillah, we can understand about classical book, how to speak English and Arabic, and also we can be better person.
Ummul Ayman menyekolahkan santri,
Bukan menyantrikan anak sekolah.
Your fathers and your mothers, they already have played their role. They already have done their mission because they brought you in a great institution like Ummul Ayman, and they paid much money for your education, and that money is nothing for them because when they see you today, they are ready to pay more.
Thank you for coming here, Mr. Muhammad from Senegal and Abu Ali from Tajikistan. May Allah bless you.
علقوا آمالكم على النجوم في السماء فإن لم تكونوا وصلتم إليها فتكونوا في وسطها فحسب لعلنا ناجحين يوم استقبالنا بعد أن نتخرج من
I want to say
هذا
for you all,
المعهد.
it's all because of Ummul Ayman boarding school. So I want to give you chief thanks to Walid as our beloved soul father, and also to our own teachers, and many thanks to all of teachers in this boarding school who have worked very hard and guided us and encouraged us in order to be a very successful person in the future. If it is not because of teachers, we will never know who the God is, and we will always love Ummul Ayman boarding school forever. The youth today is the leader for tomorrow.
Raditu billahi rabba wa bil islami dina wa bi ummil aymani ma'hada. Saya selaku perwakilan dari kawan-kawan seangkatan mengucapkan terima kasih yang sebesar-besarnya dan mohon maaf yang seikhlas-ikhlasnya kepada guru-guru kami, karena kami tahu jasa-jasa guru tidak akan pernah mampu kami balas. Semoga Allah membalas jasa-jasa guru kami dengan sebaik-baik pembalasan.
Tamatan 2021. Alhamdulillah.